videotaping you.
Oh my god. That means I got snow down my pants. Yeah, that's right.
Hi, Mr. Johnson. I'm videotaping.
I didn't not touch it with my hand.
No, you were kicking it.
Smile, Nathan. You're on camera.
You should take that home to Melissa's mom and show her getting in trouble. You could blackmail her with it.
Dude, I don't care. My mom says I can do whatever I want as long as I don't have unprotected.
Nice.
My mom said I can do whatever
And
I
on
want.
camera.
Yeah, I know.
This is the guy Melissa punched in the face.
He had a black eye. He's so embarrassed he said I was a guy.
Dusty, smile. You're on camera. Oh! Smile. You're on camera.
You should have recorded that. That would have been so funny.
I did.
Hi, you failed.